If you want to make animations like pro, first need to download Animai's animation maker, which is almost free for use. Its working is really simple, as we will see. You can see various open source project here, but if you want make it from scrap, click on new project. After clicking you will see such type of screen in front of you. Let's add image. Click on this icon. Click on add local image. Browse it from your desktop. Let's resize it. Now add some animations to your image. If you want, we will show how to move an image. Click on End button. Pop-up will show you some animations. These are few animations. Let's click on Move. By skipping to the right you can select the path for motion of your image. Let's see what we made. Now add text by clicking on T icon. Write text on your screen and align it on your timeline as per your requirements. Let's write mechanical lovers. Some mistakes should be negotiated. Now, for its motion, unlock it. I want my text from initials. Now see how it actually looks. You can also add animations in text as same as images. Same process has been followed. Click on plus button. Now select move to move it linearly. Select its path for motion. Let's have a look at whole video. Many of you want to add characters in your animations. Click on person's icon for character and you saw a pop window. As you saw a lot of characters here. Some of them are for only available at purchase. Let's start with the free ones. It requires registration with your email ID, right credential. Now click on any role you want. After selecting you saw the required actions for your role. Such as talk, shy, smile. So now give him command to welcome you. Adjust it in timeline. Now play it from initials. This is how it looks like. Now let's take you to the next scene. Click on End button on camera timeline. Now click on camera 1 tab. So, that you can select the perfect location to shot your next shoot. Let's add character here. Increase its role. Let's add text. Let's learn together. Let's add some shapes here, such as arrow. Adjust it. Minimize it. Locate it. Haha, don't forget to subscribe it after video ends. Let's add someone animation to it too. Play it from beginning for seeing what you have just did. If you want to record your voice, you can do it by clicking on record, and after recording you can hear it. Then click on tick to finalize it if you like it. You can also adjust it. Now you see the new location. You can do the same process as we did earlier. You can also add subtitles to it with button along with record button. You can export it though. Let's come to the main content, how to increase timeline. You can see time in right side of your software. You can either increase or decrease it. As you see, timeline rises. This is our whole process what we did. Hope you all love what we did for you. Please like our video so that we can make more such kinda stuff for you all.